Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Salsita. In this session, we'll talk about sketching. Sketching enables us to create site plans for different layouts. In this scenario, we're building a deck composed of flat surfaces and stairs, but this same feature is also useful for things like room layouts, pergolas, modular cabinets, or any project where you need to outline a shape before configuring the details. I'll start sketching by clicking on the empty canvas. First, we can choose between a flat surface or stairs. I'll start with a flat surface. After selecting it, I'm in sketching mode. By dragging, I create a flat surface section, and by clicking again, I immediately continue sketching. I can exit sketching by pressing Escape or clicking Done. Now you can see we have two open endpoints where we can continue sketching. Sketching mode allows you to add new pieces quickly, then move to selection mode to fine-tune details. I'll select this flat surface here. We can change its properties, toggle the balustrade, delete the section if needed, or change the dimension and the connection angle. I'll make it a bit larger and adjust the angle. We can undo or redo changes if necessary. This makes it easy to try different variations without worrying about messing anything up. If we modify something in the middle of the plan, or for example, changing the length, the configurator automatically adjusts connected sections so that everything remains properly linked. The same applies to angles. If I set this to like 65 degrees, you'll see connected segments shift accordingly. You don't need to manually fix surrounding pieces because the system keeps everything consistent for you. For stairs, there are more options. We can change stair dimensions, and the attached geometry remains connected and valid. This flexibility makes it easy to match real site layouts, even if they aren't perfectly straight or symmetrical. So that's sketching in a nutshell. Now we'll cover parametric models in the AWR configurator. This builds directly on what we just saw in sketching, because once you draw the layout, the parametric models make sure everything behaves correctly when you switch to 3D. I'll start with a sketch that has custom angles and includes stairs. Moving to 3D, you'll notice that flat surface sections align cleanly even under angles. This is one example of our parametric modeling at work. So even if your layout has unusual shapes, the 3D model still comes together cleanly without gaps or weird overlaps. Another example is the stairs. You can see if I change the number of stairs, the design and the pattern stay exactly as they should be, especially the wooden patterns. This keeps everything consistent so you can play with different sizes or layouts without breaking the model or getting unrealistic results. So that wraps up the sketching feature. You can outline any layout, adjust it, and the configurator keeps everything connected and accurate when you move into 3D. It gives you a quick way to explore ideas without needing any design experience, and the model stays clean no matter how many changes you make. If you want to see more, check out the other AWR videos. We have a full walkthrough and separate feature breakdowns that dive deeper into how everything works.